Mark right there. Mark right there might be a problem.
Hey everyone, this is my 3D printed ESP32 drone with 3D printed propellers. This whole thing started as a project to see if I could build a drone under 100 quid with some leftover 18650 batteries. So let's get on to the build. Yep, here are all the arms that I've printed. And here's the main board. Is the Bosch BM 160, about £4 on Amazon. The 5-volt regulator for the board, and the 2 ESP32s, one receiver, one flight controller, connected to just the basic Wi-Fi antenna, and this BLS Heli ESC. Custom 4S battery pack, it's soldered together. Yeah, just got 2000 milliamps each. Let's see if everything works. Oh. So spark. So here's the full finished product, all wired up, bit messy on top of all these wires, but I can make a cover later for it. But yeah, made this battery holder with 2 rubber bands and some zip ties, but it holds pretty well. So yeah, let's take it out and fly it.
We got the drone over there, arm it. It's already armed, as you can see. It's a bit spinny. The blades are spinny. Okay, and basically we're gonna test the controller. Let's see if it works.
Oh, this shit's gonna fucking fly away. I can't.
Don't break it down.
Oh, this might be a problem. I can't use the screen while
You have the controller?
I'm touching this.
Oh shit, that's a problem. Okay, so problem number 1 is the screen can't be used.
Turn the joystick off. Connect.
Okay, you got connected to the drone.
Yeah. Now.
Okay, it's not flying.
Okay, go turn it on.
Okay, can't turn it on.
Oh, is it gonna fly? Is it gonna fucking fly?
Yeah, because you got 50% already.
Yeah.
So
I don't know what it's controlling.
yeah, this might be a bad idea.
Right, let's just
Okay, so control's not a good idea, guys. We're gonna test it with the
Are you ready?
yeah.
Why are you so far away? Let me get closer.
Okay, we got. Oh, it's coming. It's going up. Ooh, this is fucking dangerous, bro. Oh, and it's crash landed. Let's check on the damage. Okay, first of all, an arm, so it doesn't start cutting grass. Alright, any damages?
No damage. Yeah,
Ooh.
no, it's all good.
Surprisingly, no damage. It's a bit grassy, but the blades are fine, and we haven't broken off any of these mid-frames. So this drone is resistant. I just didn't fly closer.
Good test.
Yeah. We're about to do attempt number 2. This thing crash landed. It's a bit grassy right now, but let's just arm it. Alright, so unplug, plug it back in.
Oh.
Oh,
Didn't make the second noise.
oh shit, what's going on there? There we go.
ESP drone. Okay, there we go.
Oh shit, am I getting texted?
There we go.
Okay, now it's armed.
You know, film it up close.
Yeah.
Like,
I'll film it up close.
like get like a meter more backwards.
Nah, bro, I'll film it up close.
Are you sure?
Actually, no, I'll start from here. I'll start from here and I'll walk up to it, okay? Alright, bro. Let's see. Got the Mac right there. Mac right there might be a problem. There's a woman walking. And we've crash landed again. Disarm, disarm. Alright. Let's go check on this damage.
No damage, but this is a pretty resilient drone.
Yeah, really resilient. I think it's because of the smaller blades. It might not snap as easy as the longer ones. And it's not gotten grassy either. Pretty good durability test.
So the conclusion is that it flies, but it doesn't want to hover in one spot. So next video I might use injection molded propellers, or if you guys have any suggestions, pop it down in the comments. And I could also use a better controller, since I was just using UDP joystick with my smartphone. Anyway, that's it for now. Links in the description for where I got the code and the design for the drone.